Alright guys, welcome back to Carvings and More. This is not a carving video. This is a video on how to repair a charging cord for a drill. Now this drill was thrown away. Well, gave away because, well, the wire's screwed right there too, so I'm just going to do away with that. But anyways, probably a cat or something chewed it into. But they didn't want to take time to fix it, so they go buy a new one. Well, I ain't gonna, well, I don't really need I got plenty of drills, but we got a problem. Oh, there they are. I got plenty of drills, but I'm like, dude, what's the point throwing it away when you can fix it? But you got these people, that got a lot of money. They're like, well, hell, what's the point in me fixing it? I got money, go buy a new one. Well, I guess it's alright, but if I can get some for nothing and fix it, then I'm going to fix it. I've seen people throw chainsaws away, lawnmowers. Just the simple fact is, they didn't want to fix them. Maybe they didn't know how to fix them. I don't know. I know one thing, I better shut my vent off. Uh-oh. What in the hell happened here? Where is my vent? Well, this ain't good. What the hell? How the hell did that happen? I think somebody's been in my building. Sorry about that, guys. My dust collector's here and I had to shut the flash gate so I wouldn't get nothing down in there. Mess that up. One day I'll do a video on what I'm talking about. If anybody is familiar with dust collectors. What in the... Come on now. Alright. Like I say, this drill is pretty much shit. Gave away. Guy didn't want to fix it. So I'm going to fix it. Maybe. I don't know. What the? God almighty, now come on now. What the hell is it cutting for? Can't get much light because I don't want the light shining down on, mess the video up. I got a toolbox blocking the other one. Son of a bitch. Alright, look here. I ain't gonna do it. Eventually ain't gonna have no damn wire if I keep doing that. God darn it. Hopefully y'all can still see. it keeps cutting it. I know why now. There. Now we gotta figure out which is the hot. Which I believe this one there is. It's got a little white strip. I really can't tell on this one. Right there, yep. Make sure you got the right ones. Now I'll just twist them two together. Do a little solder job. So I have my solder gun right here. And where's my solder? Should have all this ready before I start videoing. Oh, there it is. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I like to mash my end. It just does a little bit better, I think. I ain't got my hammer. Oh, hell, that'll work. Alright, let's do a little soldering. Make sure it's hot enough. Believe I got that pretty good. Alright, now let's take the other. We'll twist them two together. Just makes a stronger bond. Now we're going to solder that. Sit still long enough. Come on now. Like that up. Now we need some tape. And my trusty Case Double X. Well, it rain's just coming down out there, boys, girls. It's gonna be a bad Halloween for the kids. Oh, dang. That rain don't stop. Lord's willing, he'll let it stop along there for that. It's up to him, ain't up to me. It's up to the good Lord above. My home away from home. One day I'll go there. Oh yeah. Now, I'll hook my solder gun. Hook this up. And that ain't good, that ain't good. Now, well, maybe. Heard something pop though. There we go. It's working. I don't know why it popped like that though. It did. Yeah, you know, if anybody might, any of the subscribers of mine that got tools they just don't want to fix, they don't want to fool with it. Hell, just drop them in the, I'll drop my address, drop it in the comments. I'll give you my address, and you can send it to my house. Hell, I'll fix it. It'll be no problem. I'll give them a new home. I'm a hoarder when it comes to tools. Got all kinds. Yep. There you see the red light, I guess. So it's working. Just gotta wait for it to charge up. So I guess that'll do it about this video. I showed you how to rewire a drill charger. Right here's the drill, which it ain't much. I mean, it's a Walmart Hyper-Tough, but hey, it'll help in a bad situation. They don't have to be DeWalt's or Makita's or Milwaukee's. When you're poor like I am, you'll use anything you can get. But anyways, thanks for dropping by. I didn't know I had pop. Thanks for dropping by. Tap the bell for notifications. Share the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks. We're gonna jump on out of here, guys.